Welcome to Best Choice. The best Eufy Add-On Camera is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly security solutions available for expanding your existing Eufy home security system, offering seamless integration and enhanced coverage without the need for a whole new base station, making it an ideal choice for homeowners looking to bolster their surveillance capabilities in specific areas or add an extra layer of protection to their property with minimal hassle and maximum convenience. Number 5. Eufy Security Indoor Cam E220. This intelligent camera knows the difference between people and pets. It only records when something important happens, saving you time and storage. Experience crystal clear video with up to 2K resolution. You can see exactly what's happening inside your home, day or night. Easily connected with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy effortless control over your home security. It automatically tracks movement, providing 360 degrees coverage of your room. You'll never miss a thing, from corner to corner. Communicate in real time using the built-in two-way audio. You can speak to family members or pets directly through the camera. With advanced night vision, it keeps a watchful eye on your home even in low light conditions. Rest assured, it's always protecting you. What we like. This indoor camera offers crystal clear 2K resolution, ensuring you never miss a detail. Its advanced AI can distinguish between humans and pets, only sending you relevant alerts. If you're looking for a smart way to keep an eye on your pets or children indoors with intelligent notifications, this is the one for you. What people say. The camera works well and is easy to set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. Number 4. Eufy Security Indoor Cam E220 Cam Kit. Our advanced AI detects humans and pets, ensuring it only records when something important happens. This means you get relevant footage without unnecessary clutter. See every detail with stunning 2K clarity. Even when using HomeKit, you get crisp 1080p resolution, so you never miss a thing happening inside your home. Easily connected to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Enjoy complete control over your home security using just your voice. When motion is detected, it automatically follows and tracks the moving object. Its pan and tilt feature provides a full 360 degrees view, covering every corner of your room. Communicate in real time with anyone near the camera using its built-in two-way audio. Stay connected with your loved ones or deter unwanted visitors. What we like. Get comprehensive 360 degrees coverage with this 2-camera kit, featuring 2K resolution and intelligent pet and human AI detection. It automatically tracks motion, ensuring you always have eyes on what matters. If you need to monitor larger indoor spaces or multiple rooms with a single, integrated system, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several months on a single charge. The video quality is clear and sharp, even in low light conditions. Setup was straightforward and the camera connected seamlessly to the base station. Number 3. Eufy Security eufyCam 2C2 Cam Kit. Experience smooth operation with your Apple smart home systems. It's perfect for those seeking a security camera with no subscription fees, enhancing your user experience. This outdoor camera stands strong in any weather, thanks to its IP67 weatherproof rating. It promises year-round reliability for all your home security needs. Operate this security camera without worrying about additional expenses. No monthly fees are required to enjoy its full suite of features. Enjoy extended, hassle-free security monitoring with an impressive 180-day battery life on a single charge. It's ideal for wireless outdoor cameras that require minimal maintenance. Intelligent human detection accurately identifies human presence using body shape and face pattern recognition. This elevates security measures for a robust home security system. Capture every detail with 1080p HD resolution, ensuring clear footage day and night. Its advanced night vision capabilities provide reliable security even in low light. Receive alerts only when motion is detected, reducing unnecessary notifications. This smart feature ensures you're informed about important events without being overwhelmed. What we like. This outdoor camera boasts an impressive 180-day battery life and is completely wireless, offering true freedom in placement. Its IP67 rating means it's built to withstand the elements, and with no monthly fees, it's a cost-effective security solution. If you need a reliable, low-maintenance outdoor camera that's easy to install and won't break the bank, consider this option. What people say. Sharp and colorful images that hold resolution very well as you zoom. Accuracy. Free storage on the device that is included and no hidden fees. Cameras are truly wireless. You only need to plug them into charge, which looks like it'll be in about 6 months. Number 2. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. Introducing the Eufy Security SoloCam S220. This wireless outdoor camera offers crystal clear 2K resolution for comprehensive surveillance. Never worry about charging again. With just 3 hours of daily sunlight, it stays powered continuously, ensuring your home is always protected. Experience exceptional clarity in any lighting condition. Its advanced lens and infrared LEDs provide excellent night vision, so you can see everything, day or night. Installation is a breeze. Its compact, wire-free design means you can place it anywhere you need it with just one simple step. Get intelligent alerts for people in your yard. Connect it to Homebase 3 for advanced facial recognition, distinguishing between family, friends, and strangers. Enjoy complete security without ongoing costs. This device offers on-device storage and AI features with no monthly fees or hidden charges. What we like. Enjoy continuous power with its solar charging capability, meaning you'll never have to worry about battery life again. This outdoor camera delivers sharp 2K video and features on-device AI for smart alerts, all without any monthly fees. If you desire a set-and-forget outdoor security solution that's eco-friendly and cost-effective, this camera is ideal. What people say. The video quality is clear and sharp, and the 2K resolution makes it easy to see details during both day and night. Motion detection works well and sends notifications quickly when there is activity. You can adjust the motion sensor's sensitivity, which is a great feature. You can also choose to alert only when a human is seen, and the camera does a good job at discerning that. Number 1. Eufy Security Floodlight Cam S330. Experience unparalleled security with 360-degree pan and tilt coverage. This camera ensures there are no blind spots, giving you a complete view of your surroundings at all times. Never miss a detail with stunning 2K Full HD resolution. Whether you're live streaming or reviewing recordings, you'll see everything with exceptional clarity. Our smart lighting system features tunable panels that adapt to your needs. It intelligently adjusts color, temperature, and brightness based on the time of day and detected motion. With advanced on-device AI, it recognizes people and automatically locks onto them. It then tracks and records the subject, ensuring you always know who is there. Turn night into day with 3000 lumens of super bright, motion-activated floodlights. This powerful illumination deters intruders and provides detailed, full-color recordings even in complete darkness. Built to withstand the elements, this device is weatherproof and designed for reliable performance. You can trust it to keep watch day and night, no matter the conditions. Enjoy comprehensive security features without the burden of monthly fees. All recordings and advanced functionalities are available without any ongoing subscription costs. What we like. This floodlight camera combines powerful 3000 lumen illumination with a 360 degrees pan and tilt camera for complete property coverage. It offers 2K HD video and AI subject tracking, turning night into day with its bright, motion-activated lights. If you're looking for a robust outdoor security solution that deters intruders with bright lights and provides detailed color footage even in complete darkness, this is the product for you. What people say. Video quality is clear, sharp even in poor lighting conditions. The floodlights are very bright and can be adjusted to cover large areas of your yard and overlap. The best feature of the security cameras is the absence of a need for a monthly subscription. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.